अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा जो कि मैं वीडियोस बना के लगा रहा हूँ, अगर आपको कोई और भी किसी और एक्सरसाइज से कोई और चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आपने समझना है, पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि प्रायोरिटी पे आपके जो बताए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी वीडियो बना के मैं अपलोड कर दूँ। 12.1.4 in which any point on the bisector of an angle is equidistant from its hour. This is given angle AOB and OM is the bisector of OAE, and this point P is equidistant from OA and OB. Given a point P is on the OM, which is bisector of angle OAB, and we want to prove it. PQ is equal to PR. P is equally distant from OA and OB, and in this theorem we construct, draw PR perpendicular to OA and PQ perpendicular to OB. Perpendicular means that there is a 90 angle between PQ and OB, PR and OA. When two lines are perpendicular to each other, means their angle between them is 90. And next, the proof statement, we have two triangles. The first is POQ and the second is POR. The two triangles, we compare them each other, in which OP and OP is common. Angle POQ and POR, they are same in the given, because OAB angle is in which the bisect angle OM. Bisect mean this angle is equal to this angle, so PQO and PRO are the same in the construction, because this angle, this line and this line are perpendicular to each other, and this line and this line perpendicular to each other, so they are equal according to the construction. And the next is POB and POA are POQ or POR, they are also same, and which are in the given, because the angle AOB in which OM bisect this angle, means divided into equal values, so the angle POQ and POR the same. So according to the rule, if three side angles or side are equal, then the triangles are equal. So the two triangles POQ and POR are similar. Side angle, OP side, this is angle and this is also angles. In one side and two angles are equal, then the triangle is equal, and means all the other sides and angles are equal. So PQ is equal to PR, corresponding side of congruent triangle.